Stay over there, okay? You ready?
Okay, this is Seth and his new Sky Surfer about to make a maiden. I'm ready.
Alright.
There you go. Get some altitude. That full throttle?
No.
Yeah. Stay up in that range, play around. Huh? Alright.
Pulling up. Hold on, buddy. Let's see. Yeah.
Daddy.
Got a trim?
Yeah. No, buddy, look, I'm flying.
Look at Seth. Go, Seth, go.
It moved.
I told you. Take her on up a little higher. It's a good day, man.
Yeah.
Oh, a good day. It's hardly any wind. Do a flip. Do something. Do a trick. Okay. Keep power on. Go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bring it down. Bring it down. Did you put that spar in?
Yeah.
You put that spar in?
Spar's in.
Power off. Power off. Power off. Power off.
It's off.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. What is it? That Velcro?
I don't know what that was. Stay with us, Tanner. Damn, dude.
Dude.
Drop.
You sure that spar's in?
Yeah, it's in. I just put it in.
Looks like a wing broke.
I don't know. Oh, I know what it is.
What?
Where the spar runs.
You put it more on one?
No, there's that foam piece that holds the spar in.
Uh-huh.
I bet that popped out because I read something about that.
You didn't glue it or nothing?
It was already in. And I put tape over it just to reassure it. But Tanner Gage, come here. Don't run up to it. You wait.
We got it back down, no damage.
Yeah. Yeah, I about lost it though because it,
Yeah,
it was curving left hard, dude. I was like, oh.
What the hell? I don't think it was a Velcro because the wing stayed on there. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Don't. I said, please.
Yep.
Yep, that's what it was.
Ah, dude.
Huh. Looks like I need some serious super glue or some hot glue on that one.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
You alright, buddy?
Alright.
No damage though.
No? Still hell.